Okay, I am at the junkyard, and I'm getting the crap scared out of me. I think they're these dogs. But we're gonna go through the gate and sneak into the courtyard, which is right next door. I mean, look at all of this junk. Look at all that junk. Let's go. I went through the gate. Bee! Bees! Junk. Oh my God. There are junkyard dogs everywhere! Ah! 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 Oh! Oh my God! Ah! Okay, I made it this far, but on my next episode, I need to find out how to get down without getting killed by the junkyard dogs. But she's only the next one. Look at this one. Look at that one. So, subscribe to my videos, and maybe I might just make it out of here alive and away from those two dogs. See how scared they are? Yeah. That is why I'm scared.